Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Aro amni khan sob manu hi bala ase na moi hope kuri ase aro moi bi ekdam bal de ase aro mola nutun channel aro like subscribe kobo na pori dibe ekta naga manu ase ekta khun mangsu ase aro mohala pusti laga views to ito ase wow ito ase guys aro amakhan naga army khan kinika kana kurina amhan naga army khan to kana to A1 gure de sate khan apni khan to mola kotha hosana misa ase apni khan believe nahi guli ile itu kana apni khan khuni sari first to last tak te cho
Mito, mito so. I started to a land where there's everlasting joy. Sing with the angels band, nothing to annoy. There will be friends and loved ones with them every stay. I am going home to heaven some sweet day. Shouting, singing, praises ringing in that happy land. Friends I know there makes me wanna go there with them on the strand. Time is drawing nearer, I've no long to stay. I am going home to heaven some sweet day. There will be no one's grief us, there will be lasting peace. Friends will never leave us, parting will have ceased. Soon troubles will be over, I will sail away. I am going home to heaven some sweet day. Shouting, singing, praises ringing in that happy land. Friends I know there makes me wanna go there with them on the strand. Time is drawing nearer, I've no long to stay. I am going home to heaven some sweet day. I am going home to heaven some sweet day.
hello guys apni khan itu naga army laga kana khuni na paisi na moi bisas kuri ase aro apni khan ki kana kinga lagi ase bal ase na man bal aro meaning voice na tik page ase de moi karni to I love naga na bishi bal ase de to naga army mane kana guli bi amhan naga lo to man sab naga hui chai na to apni khan laga support full support tv 10K to tipungji moi guys amni khan oro me bisas ase kokai didi phuni baba ama khan amni khan ge moi tik support lagi de guys amni khan la support blessing do matha ke pa khali lagi de guys to thank you to next video de lokro ama khan de guys aro amni khan be phal bhai puibe aro next video de aman mola chera dikhibole paribo so bye bye guys see you next time next channel de I